friends, do you know to make Maggie? The special and the tasty Maggie served in a plate or a bowl makes us full of love and happiness. But what about who will make it? Why not we try to make it once? So, if we try once, we can learn and we can make it anytime we can. And we can eat at our own mind. So, let's see how to make Maggie. So, first of all, the Maggie is very tasty. Commonly for the small kids or the children who love to eat Maggie the most. Friends, are we also children? Yes, that's why we love Maggie very much. And today we will learn to make the Maggie also. So friends, you can see that this is the packet of the Maggie noodles and this is the 2 minutes Maggie, which is very easy to make. So today we will learn to make that Maggie only. So let's see how can we make it. So for making Maggie, we have to know the supplies first. So let's see what are the supplies present here for making the Maggie. So first of all, we have a packet of Maggie in which there present Maggie and a masala packet. Then we need some splitted vegetables. We need various kinds of vegetables like this, like here capsicum, tomato, and we need peas and onions and all kinds of vegetables to eat the Maggie, because the Maggie should also be healthy. That is why if it will be a mix of everything, it will be most tasty. So let's see what is our next ingredient. So a container for making Maggie. So we need a container like this. Here we have to put the Maggie in that container. So we need a container to making Maggie. Then we need a plate or bowl for serving. We need a bowl like this, a big bowl. So much Maggie can be there. And we need water. We need a glass of water. So now let's see the steps. What are the steps for making Maggie? So, first of all, our step 1 is, first of all, we have to take some water and boil it. We have to boil it approximately for 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, what you have to do is, now you have to put the Maggie and the masala in the boiled water. And your Maggie is going to be ready. Now, the step 2 again here is, after some time, put the splattered vegetables like tomato, potato, onion, carrot, beetroot, etc. After this step, after putting the Maggie and the masala, you have made ready to all the splitted vegetables. So now, you have to put the splitted vegetables in it. And then, what we have to do is, we have to put the cover of the container where you are making the Maggie, and then we have to leave the container for 2 minutes. And don't forget to put the gas in steam, so that your Maggie will be very tasty and you will reach to the heart of Maggie. Your heart will be very fine. It will say, I want more Maggie. Yes. So you have to make more tastier, because we can eat only once, but that once should be very tasty. So let's see what is the step 4. Step 4 is nothing. It's the thing that is ready. Means our Maggie is ready. Now see how it is very tasty. It's looking so tasty in the container. Now let's see what is our step 5. Step 5 is, we have to pour the Maggie into a plate or a bowl. Now we have to put something to decorate, like we can put some coriander leaves like this, and we can put some tomatoes, and that is for making it very clearly looking decorate. So here we can also put some cherries so that it will be sweet also. So you can put to your own mind. So friends, our Maggie is ready. It's so easy. Now just taste it. How is it tasting? Well, no? So you learned to make a Maggie and you are now a Maggie maker chef. And you can make a Maggie anytime you can and eat at your own mind. So friends, thank you very much. I hope you learned a lot of making Maggie. Thank you.